Health Break is sponsored by Mission Health.
For many people, Mission Health now offers total hip and total knee replacement procedures that do not require a night stay in the hospital. Dr. Ryan McDonald explains.
We utilize minimally invasive techniques combined with robotic assistance, computer navigation, with multimodal pain relief, with nerve blocks, regional anesthesia, pre- and post-operative medication to help minimize pain and maximize function after the procedure. Having a hip or knee replacement and going home the same day is completely safe. It helps facilitate their recovery. It allows them to get back to their normal life or their improved functional state quicker, and most patients would prefer to recover at home.
To learn more, go to missionhealth.org/healthbreak.